Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today, I would like to show you how to find the area of the sector. In this video, we are still in the circular measure. Okay, let's proceed to the first question. A sector of a circle has a radius of 5 cm and a perimeter of 16 cm. Find the area of the sector in cm square. Okay, first let's illustrate. Okay, let's illustrate the sector first. Okay, then we have this sector. The radius is 5. The theta we do not have, but we have the perimeter. Okay, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the perimeter is the sum of all sides. Okay, it's the total length of all sides, meaning 5 plus 5, and then this is S, correct? S, which represent the arc. Okay, so given perimeter is 16, 5 plus 5 is 10, and S. So S is equal to 16 minus 10, should be 6. So S should be 6. Alright. So, okay. What else we need? So we have to use the formula for area, which is the formula for area. Area of sector is equal to 1 over 2 r square theta. Okay, we have here is r. Do we have theta? No, we do not have the angle yet. So we need to find the angle first. Okay. So we can use the arc formula, which is S is equal to r theta. So theta is equal to S divided by r. S is 6, r is 5. So we can just key in the calculator and we get 1.2 radian. So this is 1.2 radian. Okay, so we can use the formula to find the area. 1 over 2 times a radius is 5 square, theta is 1.2 radian. Then we can use the calculator. 1 over 2 times 5 square times 1.2. Okay, we get 50 cm squared. That's the final answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the second question. The diagram on the right shows a major sector EOF with center O, a radius of r cm, and an area of 195 cm square. Calculate the value of r in cm. Okay. Okay, what would you have here? We have the area, which is 195, right? So for the question A, we can use the area formula for the sector, which is 1 over 2 r squared times theta. Okay, so A is 195, 1 over 2 times, which is r, we do not have r yet, so we need to find r, and theta is 3.9. This is theta. And then some algebra here, we can use r square, which is sorry, okay, again r square is equal to 3.9 divided by 2. Okay, and then r square is equal to 3.9 divided by 2. You should get 1.95, which is equal to 195, right? And then r square is equal to 195 divided by 1.95, and then you will get 1 divided by 1.95, which is 100, and r is equal to square root of 100, which is 10 cm. Okay, this is the answer. R is 10 cm. Okay, so we move on to second. We move on to question B. Okay, question B. All right. What's the major arc length EF in cm? So what we need to find is the S, right? The major arc length EF. So we have R just now 10. This should be R is equal to 10. This is theta. So the arc length formula is S is equal to radius times theta. So radius is 10, theta is 3.9. So you can just use calculator. 10 times 3.9 should be 39 cm. Last question. The perimeter of the major sector EOF in cm. EOF. Okay, the perimeter is the total length of all sides, meaning you have to add this EO, OF, and the arc of S, right? So EO plus OF plus and then the S, the arc length. So we should get 10 plus 10 S, which is 39. 20 plus 39 should be 59 cm. Okay. Okay, next, let's move on to the third question and the last question for the day. The diagram on the right shows a sector VOW with center O and a radius of 10 cm. This is the radius. Given that the area of the sector is 60, so we have area of the sector is 60 cm squared. Calculate the value of theta and radius. Okay, first the value of theta. We can what info we have? We have area, so we can use that from area formula, which is equal to 1 over 2 times r squared times theta. So we have to find theta. Okay, just input the value first. 60 1 over 2, r is 10 squared, and then theta. Okay, so 1 over 2, 60 is equal to 10 squared is 100 divided by 2 theta. Theta should be equal to 100 divided by 2 is 50. Theta. So theta should be equal to 60. 50 times theta, when we want to 50, we move to the other side, should be divide. Okay, 60. So we should get 6 divided by 5, 1.2 radian. Okay, so always remember that if you use the area formula or the area of the sector, or we use the formula of S, the arc length of the sector, theta. The theta is always in radian unit. Okay, it's always in radian unit. It will never be in degree. Okay. B. What is the the arc length, the VW? So we need to find S, correct? So the arc length formula is S equal to R theta. By now you should memorize this formula. So S is equal to R, then theta 1.2. Okay, this is theta. So we should get 12 cm. Then lastly, we need to find the perimeter of sector. Though the perimeter of sector is perimeter, what is the total length of all sides. So in this case, perimeter of sector BOW is the length of OV plus OW plus this is the S, correct? The S, the arc length of WB. So OV is 10. This one also, OW is also 10. And then S, we have figured it out in the question B, which is 12. And we shall get 20, 32 cm. That's it. That's all for this video. Okay, I hope to see you guys in the next videos. If you find this video helpful, kindly share with your friends and also like this video. And I humbly request you to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you guys. Assalamualaikum.